Did you know this water heater right here could literally destroy your house if it's not strapped properly? I know this might sound boring, but first thing you gotta do is check the flexibility. Ooh, stretch it out. Not that kind of flexibility, but your water heater's connections. That's because in an earthquake, stiff pipes break and flexible lines survive. You don't want to suddenly be drowning.
Help me! I can't swim! I'm drowning! Oh God, I'm drowning!
Repairs from your water heater. You don't want to spend thousands of dollars of flooding just because your heater broke loose. And California Health and Safety Code 19211. All water heaters sold, installed, and relocated or replaced must be properly braced, anchored, and strapped to resist basically falling or the horizontal displacement from an earthquake. This basically applies to everything: rental properties, new construction, and real estate transfers like selling. Here's what you need to know. If you're selling your property, basically any type, your water heater must be strapped and braced at the time of sale to comply with the California Transfer Disclosure Statement. So, when you're filling out your disclosures, you can't say that everything is in compliance if your water heater is not properly strapped. Now, a lot of people think just one strap. Nope, there's a very specific way that has to be done. If it's not done that specific way, you're not in compliance. And also, this is important to know, if you're a landlord or a tenant, your water heater has to be properly strapped. Otherwise, your property is not in compliance. And the property could be considered uninhabitable. And the tenants could withhold rent, use it as a defense to fight eviction, or break the lease without penalty. Water heaters must be fully compliant before new leases start and during the tenancy. So, how does it have to be installed? It has to be done this way, so check it out. First thing, you have to have two straps, one in the upper third and one in the lower third. It can't just be one, you have to have two specifically there, and the two can't be close together. They have to be in the upper third and the lower third. It has to be made of a heavy gauge metal strap, not plumber's tape. And here's where a lot of people kind of mess up. It has to be securely attached to the wall studs or masonry with 1/4 by 3 lag bolts. And the tank can't move more than 1 to 2 inches when tested, and the lower strap must be at least 4 inches above the controls. And you want to use flexible gas and water supply lines to prevent rupture during movement. It's such a small and easy fix, could cost you $150 to do, generally speaking, but it could save you thousands in the long run. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And if you're thinking about making a move, just go ahead and give me a call. My number is right here. Look forward to hearing from you.